Have you been wondering what Hawaiian Sandalwood Essential Oil is good for? And what's the difference between Hawaiian Sandalwood and just normal sandalwood? And how do you use this? Is it good for your skin? In this video, I will answer these questions and share some fun facts about Hawaiian Sandalwood Essential Oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 10 years, and Hawaiian Sandalwood is a very unique essential oil, so I'm excited to share with you about this particular essential oil. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to access my free Essential Oils Made Easy class. Along with, you can grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. So you'll be able to get that information at the very end of this video. Before I jump into this video, I always love to hear from my audience about your favorite uses for the oil we're talking about today, which is Hawaiian Sandalwood. You can go ahead and drop those in the comments. So let's jump right in. Sustainably sourced from the Big Island of Hawaii, Hawaiian Sandalwood is soothing to the skin and promotes a youthful looking complexion. This rich and sweet smelling essential oil has been used for thousands of years to instill calmness and well-being. It helps to balance the emotions and lessen feelings of tension. So what is sandalwood essential oil used for? This is a great question. Sandalwood is a precious essential oil distilled from the fragrant wood of sandalwood trees, which grow in tropical locations, including India and Hawaii and Indonesia. It also includes Nepal and Australia. Sandalwood trees are among the most expensive trees in the world, and the oil is equally as precious. It's often used to enhance meditation and promote mindfulness. Sandalwood essential oil has a powerful ability to lessen tension, to balance emotions, thanks to its alluring and calming aroma. Sandalwood is the base note in many exquisite perfumes and aftershaves. Sandalwood offers powerful grounding and mood-enhancing properties. This is probably due to sandalwood's high concentration of the constituent santalol. Is that how you say it? I think it is. Yes, santalol, which makes the oil very grounding and very calming. It imparts a sense of well-being and has a beneficial effect on the moods. Is Hawaiian sandalwood good for the skin? So another benefit of santalol is its beautifying effect on the skin. When applied topically, Hawaiian sandalwood can minimize the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles and the skin's imperfections. Because of its powerful benefits for the skin, Hawaiian sandalwood is included in many of Doterra's skincare products. It also moisturizes the hair and adds a desirable silky feel, so you can put a drop or two and just rub that through your hair. So what is the best sandalwood essential oil? This is a great question because there are over 20 varieties of sandalwood. But the two species that are the most revered for their essential oil are Santalum album and Santalum paniculatum, and that one's the Hawaiian sandalwood. Doterra offers both of these varieties, which offer similar benefits to one another. These two sandalwoods have nearly identical chemical properties. Santalum paniculatum's aroma is slightly sweeter, while Santalum album is a woodier aroma. So let me share with you 3 ways to use sandalwood. The first way is you can diffuse Hawaiian sandalwood oil, or you can apply it to the back of the neck and the shoulders at bedtime for a restful night's sleep. The second one is you can add 1 to 2 drops to your favorite moisturizer or night cream for a smooth, glowing skin complexion. And number 3 is you can add 1 to 2 drops of Hawaiian Sandalwood Essential Oil to a hot bath to promote relaxation and lessen tension. Now, you always want to add Epsom salts when you're adding essential oils to your bath. Hawaiian Sandalwood works well with wild orange, with vetiver, with wintergreen, lavender, and rose. So here are some fun facts about Hawaiian Sandalwood. It takes approximately 0.5 pounds of Hawaiian sandalwood to produce one 5 milliliter bottle of Hawaiian Sandalwood Essential Oil. The Chinese used the fragrant heartwood of sandalwood, Hawaiian sandalwood, for incense and medicinal purposes and carved objects out of it and archaeology projects. There are over 50 studies published about the benefits of sandalwood essential oil. So Doterra's Hawaiian Sandalwood Essential Oil is also found in Doterra's Elevation, Doterra's Console Blend, Terra Shield, In Tune, Whisper, Touch, and Immortelle, Serenity, Virage, the Immortelle Hydrating Serum, and our Tightening Serum. That's a lot of products, right? If you want to purchase Hawaiian Sandalwood or any of those other projects, or even one of my starter kits get you into my courses for free. Well, the kits aren't free, but the courses are once you get a kit. You can check the description below. So it's freebie time because you made it to the end of this video, and I want to give you access to my Essential Oils Made Easy class. All you got to do for that is follow the link in the description below to register. I'm also excited to give you access to my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 common uses and more about different essential oils. Click the link in the description below. Click the link in the description below and put in your email, and it will show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. So you can give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button and so that you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, if you're interested in getting essential oils at 25% off, please reach out to me. I would love to connect with you. Hope you continue to watch. The next video is right after this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.